Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Torbjorn's turret is a powerful tool for area denial and consistent damage. Deploy it strategically on high ground or around corners to maximize its effectiveness. Remember, the turret automatically targets enemies, freeing you to focus on your rivet gun. A well-placed turret can secure flanks and provide valuable intel for your team, making it a cornerstone of his kit. Don't be afraid to move it as the battle shifts. Mastering Torbjorn's rivet gun is crucial for maximizing your impact. The primary fire is excellent for poking at enemies and finishing off low-health targets from afar. When enemies get close, switch to the secondary fire for devastating shotgun blasts. Overload is your defensive and offensive powerhouse, granting you 100 temporary armor and boosting your attack speed. Use it to duel formidable opponents or to quickly set up a new turret under pressure. Torbjorn's ultimate, Molten Core, is a fantastic tool for controlling space and melting enemy teams. You launch 10 pools of molten slag that deal significant damage over time, especially to armored heroes and barriers. Use it to deny access to objectives, block off choke points, or punish enemies who are grouped up. The area denial it provides can completely disrupt an enemy push, allowing your team to capitalize on their disarray and secure crucial eliminations. Torbjorn thrives with team support. Heroes like Reinhardt or Orisa can shield your turret, while damage boosters like Mercy can amplify your output. Be mindful of snipers and highly mobile flankers, as they can quickly dismantle your setup. Always try to position yourself near your turret, using it as a distraction while you deal damage. Adjust your strategy based on enemy picks. If they have Pharah, consider a more defensive turret. Team communication is key for effective turret placement and molten core plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.